Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Hi, Miss Norina is back. How is your day? Well, I hope you are on the top of the world and delighted to learn English. So now I want all of you to be ready with a textbook and activity book. First of all, before we start, I want you to know a little bit about future tense. Let's learn some grammar on future tense because later you will need to do some speaking and writing exercises. There are three things you need to focus on. Positive sentence, like this one. Negative sentence, like these examples. And answering questions, this one. Bear with me. This is simple. It is not as difficult as you think. It is not a rocket science. Now, today is Tuesday, 22nd of June, 2021. Let's look at the positive sentence. Future tense. Future tense is something that is not happening yet, meaning you are going to talk about the future. Alright, previously we have learned the past tense and the present tense, right? Just put that aside and now let's focus on future tense. Look at the first one. The formula for writing these sentences is be, still remember the be verb is am, is, are. Simple. Look at the color. The be verb is am, is, are. Let me refresh your mind. When are you going to use am? Am is when you use only for I. Is. When are you going to use is? When the noun is only one. For example, she is, he is, it is, Ali is. Okay, now when are you going to use are? Are is when there are more than one. This one. For example, you are, we are, they are, the children are, the teachers are, Ali and Abu are. Okay, so now, plus, going to. Okay, the first one. I am going to watch TV. I am going to watch TV. Okay, the verb here is being underlined. Can you see? The verb here is not changing. Watch, it does not become watching or watched. It is watch. Okay, so it's the base word. Okay, look at the first example again. I am going to watch TV. Full stop. The second one. She is going to eat ice cream. Dia akan pergi makan ice cream. Number 3. We are going to wake up early tomorrow. Tomorrow is to indicate future tense. Next. Be plus not, written in red, plus going to. This is where you are going to talk about what we don't plan to do in the future or the negative sentences. Okay, the first one. I am not going to watch a movie. Simply add the word not. The same as the first one that I told you, but for this part is where you need to add the word not in between the orange and the purple words. Right? Let's look again the first example. Number 1. I am not going to watch a movie. Number 2. She is not going to eat the cake. Dia tak akan makan kek tu. Next, number 3. We are not going to wake up late tomorrow. Kita tidak akan bangun lambat esok. So, does it make sense? So if you don't really understand, you can always replay this part. Okay, now for the third part, to ask questions about future plans and give response to them. But for today, I want you to focus on answering the questions. Now, let's look at the first question. Are you going to play checkers? So if the answer is positive or true, simply answer it this way. Yes, comma, I, capital letter, am, full stop. Yes, I am. And if the answer is in negative form, you can write like the one written in red. No, comma, don't forget that. I am not. No, I am not. Next, number 2. Is he going to wash the dishes? If your answer is positive, you can write this way. Yes, he is. Or, in the negative form, no, he isn't. Next, number 3. Are they going to swim? If the answer is positive, yes, they are. If not, no, they aren't. Alright, next. Now, let's look at your module activity book, page 33. Look at activity A and B. If you don't have the book, please write on a piece of paper. If you have the book, look at this page 33. There are 2 exercises, exercise A and exercise B. And there is grammar part here. You can always look at it and please try to understand. Read it first. Okay, if you are confident to answer those questions, you can straight away answer the questions like this. Okay, if you look at A, complete the sentences. The first one has been done for you. Okay, number 1. I, the verb is here, play. So, you need to use the be verb first and then add going to. As simple as that. And then simply copy the word play here. And you got the answer. Okay, let's read. I am going to play the piano. Full stop. Okay, number 2. Dean. How many Dean is here? 1. So you use is, am, or are. Which one? Correct. Is. Dean is. Add the word going to. And then you have the verb here. Watch the fireworks. Dean is going to watch the fireworks. And the rest you need to do it yourself. For activity B, look at the pictures. Very important. Look at the pictures, then answer the questions. Okay, for this part, you need to read the question. Are they going to school? This is the first question and this is the first picture. So if you notice, in the first picture, it shows that they are not going to school, but instead they are going to the shopping center. So what would be the best answer for this? Okay, read again the question. Are they going to school? The answer is no, they aren't. Alright, it is very easy and simple and you can do the rest on your own. And please pause this second. Please be honest with me. Please pause this second to allow you to do all the exercises. And then once you have done, you can click play and you can see all the answers. I will share you the answers later. And please pause this second and please complete all the exercises. Alright, I hope you have done it by now. This is the answers for activity A. Okay, the instruction says complete the sentences. The first one has been done for you. Alright, so these are the answers. Please check your own book. If you got it correct, please be honest. You need to tick yourself. Use the red pen. Okay, the one that is written in colors, These are the grammar part that I need to highlight so that you will be able to understand. Let's read together. Follow me. Number 1. I am going to play the piano. Number 2. Dean is going to watch the fireworks. Number 3. She is going to ride her bicycle tomorrow. Number 4. We are going to play a new computer game. Next, the last one. My parents are going to jog in the park with me. Please do your reading practice on your own. You can pause this second to allow you to do the practice. Next, this is the additional activity. Since we have learned the negative form of sentences, why not we try and read and practice your speaking skills? You can listen to me first and then later you can pause this second to allow you to practice your speaking and reading on your own. Now, number 1. I am not going to play the piano. Number 2. Dean is not going to watch the fireworks. 3. She is not going to ride her bicycle tomorrow. Number 4. We are not going to play a new computer game. Number 5. My parents are not going to jog in the park with me. For this additional activity, you don't have to write on your book. This is just a reading and speaking practice. You can pause the second to allow you to do the practice now. Next is the answer for exercise B. Look at the pictures, then answer the questions. Let's look at it. Check your own book. Number 1. Are they going to school? Can you see here the word shopping center? They are definitely not going to school. So the answer is no, they aren't. Please make sure your spelling is correct. When you write the word no here, you must start with comma followed by they aren't. A-R-E-N apostrophe T with full stop. Not to forget that. No, they aren't. Number 2. Is she going to eat a burger? Yes, she is. Look very carefully. There is a comma here and a full stop at the end of every sentence. Next, number 3. Are you going to the parade tomorrow? No, I'm not. The last one. Is he going to a birthday party this evening? Yes, he is. You can pause this second to allow you to check your answers and compare it with mine. Now, this is a writing project for you. You are not going to write on a piece of paper, but if you want to, you can do so. But this project, we will use Padlet instead. Okay, for this part, you need to look at your textbook, page 43. First of all, please look at this. Read. Okay, for this project, there are 2 questions, right? But first of all, let us read together. Listen to me. I'm not going to play the audio, but you listen to me and later you can pause and you can practice your own reading. Let's start. This is Sabrina's diary, so let's read her diary. Dear diary, I'm very happy. Tomorrow is a very special day. It's 21st June, my birthday. I'm going to have a party. All my friends are going to come to my house. We are going to play and dance. I'm going to decorate the house and Mom is going to make sandwiches for us. Dad is going to make me a chocolate cake. We are going to have so much fun. I'm going to write again tomorrow. Bye for now, Sabrina. So who wrote this diary? It's Sabrina. It's her diary. So now, if you look very carefully at the questions, there are 2 questions. The first question says, when is Sabrina's birthday? So your answer is, Her birthday is on what? And full stop. Write your answer on Padlet. I will show you later. Now, the second question is where you need to focus. So if you notice, there are some red lines and some blue lines from here until here. Am I right? So what is the second question says? What is she going to do on that day? Apa yang dia akan buat pada hari tersebut? What is she going to do on that day? So, the one that I underline, I want you to replace with a correct noun. For the second question is where you need to write the answer starting from here until here. The one that I underline in red and blue lines, you need to replace the noun. For example, I'm going to have a party. You need to replace the word I'm here to she is or she is. She is going to have a party. Full stop. All my friends are going to come to my house. Replace the word my here. All her, because she is a girl, right? All her friends are going to come to her house. Full stop. We are going to play and dance. The word we are here replace with they are going to play and dance. Next, I'm going to decorate the house. Replace the word I'm here with she is going to decorate the house. And something missing here. The one that I underline in blue is where you need to write the word her. H-E-R, her. Continue. And her mom is going to make sandwiches for the word as his replace with them. T-H-E-M. So I repeat this part. She is going to decorate the house and her mom is going to make sandwiches for them. Okay, something missing here. The one I underline in blue with her dad. Her dad is going to make her a chocolate cake. Full stop. That's all. Those are the answer for question number 2. So if you missed something, please replay. Alright, so these answer question 1 and question 2, I want you to write on Padlet. And what is this Padlet? Okay, some of you might come across this previously and some of you might not have. Okay, never mind. Let me show you one by one. Upon answering those questions, maybe you might want to have a piece of paper and scribble the answers on a piece of paper first. After that, if you have a phone, you can scan this QR code, or the easiest thing you can do is type in. HTTPS ni tak payah pun tak apa. You can straight away type. You buka tab baru. padlet.com/Norina Jabar, no space, okay, /project, written in capital letter, project. Yang lain semua, all are in small letters. Okay, salin, copy this. Next, when you click enter, when you type in the address in the URL address bar, this page will come out. When you see this page, the question I posted here already, and you can see the title of the page is For Creative 2021, Project 22nd June 2021. So to post your answer, click the pink button here, the plus button here. Click here. When you click, this thing will appear. Let me show you closer. Okay, this thing will appear. Before you post your answer, please write your full name, not your glamour name, alright? Write your full name on title. on title, I want you to write your name and write your answers on write something. You click on write something and you write your answers. How are you going to do that? Okay, this is an example for you. Example, yeah. Siti, okay, on title, you write your full name, like Siti Fatimah binti Ibrahim. And then you write your answer below it. The first one, you don't have to write the question. Simply write straight away the answers. Number one, her birthday is on what? Full stop. Next, number two, she is going to have a party. Full stop. All her friends are going to come to her house. Full stop. They are blah, 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 blah. You finish it. Okay? And then once you have done, I will give you marks here and the marks will be recorded in your PBD. Alright, I think that's all from me. So, before we end our session, I want you to look at some quotes from Sheila's motivation. The first one is, destroy laziness or it will destroy you. Meaning, you need to be hardworking in order to succeed. Kena rajin lah kalau nak berjaya. As simple as that. Okay, the second one is, your attitude decides your success, not others. Meaning, soon all your hard work will pay off. So I hope it will motivate you to learn, and please do not waste your time. Take the opportunity you have to learn as much as you can while you are still young. Time is precious. You can't buy time. Remember that. Alright, that's all from me. Bye-bye.